Wildfires have been relentless in eastern Kentucky this week.
It has been 3 non-stop days of waking up in the middle of the night, getting home, getting an hour or two of sleep, go to work, leave work, go on another call, come back, try to eat, and then you get another call.
Chief Benny Bailey says the Ball Creek Volunteer Fire Department in Knott County hasn't had much of a break. Calls started Monday and haven't stopped until late yesterday afternoon. Some say it's been the most active fire season in years. Officials say be aware of your surroundings and tidy up your property by raking up leaves. They say when leaves go dry or go through dry conditions, they can carry fire. The Division of Forestry says roughly half of Kentucky wildfires start on accident.